Hello beauties! And today I'm going to show you an easy, quick hair tutorial to transform your whole style. To help me with this look, I have Tressmerize, these beautiful hair extensions. Hair transformation starts here. So this is 100% Remy human hair. So I just want to tell you guys a little bit about this. I really love the packaging first off, but it says this is the only clip-in hair extension kit designed for short and thin hair. It's made out of 100% Remy virgin human hair, handmade hair toppers for seamless blending, free shipping worldwide, no tangling and no shedding. So this is how much comes in a bundle, and you can see that this, just scratched myself in the face. And you can see that this bundle is very, very close to my length color. We have three clips and two clips. Hey beauties, so I actually just filmed a hair tutorial with them, and it was like an updo, and honestly I didn't do a very good job. I'm not very good with updos, so I figured I would do what I do all the time. I tried to do something like new and different. I thought it'd be exciting and cool, but honestly it just didn't pan out like how I thought it would. So I'm going to show you guys instead, because I think that it would be better for you guys and definitely better for me. I'm going to show you kind of like my everyday messy half up half down look. Now this is super simple. I've worn this in photo shoots and I just really think it's like cute, it's easy, it's casual, it looks great. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to want to do is separate your front hair from your back hair. So just go like this. Super easy to start with. Now all this hair back here is going to go up. But first we got to get some extensions in this baby. And how we're gonna do this is really super simple. So I'm going to basically cut my hair in half, the hair that's left on the back, with my hands. Separate it like so. Let me turn around. And I'm going to put it up in a ponytail. And kind of make it into a little bun so this hair doesn't get in my way. Now I'm gonna get all of my 3 clips, my bundles, and because this hair is going up, instead of facing this way down, I'm going to clip them up like this. And I am going to clip them going up against this hairline here. Now I'm going to do that with all of my 3 clips. Hello party people. Now with my 2 clips, I am going to wait a minute. So I clipped all 3 of my 3 clips in. Now I'm going to grab this top ponytail and take the ponytail holder out. And I want to still keep my front hair from getting in this. Now what I'm going to do next is just grab all that hair in the back and put it into the ponytail. Whoosh. My head is so heavy. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab any hair that I left down. So what I'm gonna do next is grab these little 2 clips, and I'm gonna put them normal side up, but going back towards this ponytail. What? So you see, I kind of just clip that almost right onto the ponytail. Okay, perfect. So now we have that in. So I'm going to reposition my hand to grab these extensions as well. Join the club. Now the next thing we're going to do is grab some more hair. So we're going to go basically down this line, picking up little pieces here and there. Kind of make it look like messy, kind of casual, nothing too serious. And grab some of these baby pieces. Okay, so we have just like little tiny pieces of hair that are down. And now we have all this hair that's up, and it's kind of like a messy pony. So we're gonna get our ponytail holder. This is so much hair, you guys, so much. All right, and we're gonna just tie this up. Okay, and then once we have the pony, I like to give it a nice little pull like this to kind of just make it a high ponytail, like so. Little pull, little pull, little pull. Now, if you want to really transform this, some people don't like exposing this little ponytail holder itself. If you want to hide that, all you have to do is grab a little piece of hair. I like to grab it from the back. So grab a little piece of hair, wrap it around the ponytail holder. Super simple. And then I just grab an extra little clip, kind of put it into the hair, and clip it to the back of this ponytail holder. Whoosh. My hair is so heavy right now. There's so much hair in here. I'm surprised my ponytail holder didn't break, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, this is just my simple, messy updo, and there's so much volume, so much body. The extensions really give it something extra. Like, look at how much hair this is. You look like a Bratz doll. Like, you look like a little cute Barbie doll. It's so cute. It looks effortless, even though it does take about 5 minutes to do. And I just love it. I'm obsessed. I love these extensions. They blend perfectly in my hair and they give it so much body. If you guys want to check out these extensions, I will of course always have them linked, so make sure to check them out. If you like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, and make sure to like, follow, subscribe to my page. Bye babies, love you. Mwah.